G'day, YouTubes. Ian Laconia, New Hampshire here. We're getting some snow tomorrow morning. It's gonna start tomorrow morning. So, we will be using the snowblower tomorrow. And I will be, taking the GoPro out to, do some fun shots for you guys. And it's going to snow into Sunday too. So when this storm is all said and done, we'll have 6 to 12 inches on the ground. Excuse me, tubes. Sorry about that. But anyways, I just wanted to bring this little short video to you, and we'll be talking with you soon. And oh, by the way, I just wanted to show you a little picture I drew. This is a picture I drew I did it freehand. It's a picture of a Fisher Minute Mount snowplow, and like I said, tubes, I drew that freehand. So I just wanted to show you that picture. Thanks. Subscribe. And I hope you like that drawing of my Fisher Minute Mount snowplow for a truck. We'll talk to you soon, and I will be taking you guys out snowblowing with my new Aaron snowblower. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.